Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are out here in Harrisonville, Missouri. We are looking to try and finish up the first wall rebuild of the 3 sections of the stone foundation we're going to be tearing down and building back up vertically. I wanted to take a quick look while we have this open. So this is not just one layer that we're doing on the surface here. There's actually 2 rows of stone, and that's how this wall was built. So we're trying to do the same on the rebuild. So we still have a lot to clean up here. But you can see we have 1 layer here and then 1 back there. So we are getting everything built back up as solid as we possibly can. We still have all the stone here to get put back. So yeah, everything is moving right along. So once this wall is done, we'll take down our supports and we'll slide them over to the next wall. This one isn't looking to be as bad. It's mainly right here in the middle that it's bowing inward. So we'll get that torn down, built back up. And then again, the final section that's bulging inward is really right here, kind of maybe 2 feet below the existing window. But when we get in there, we'll get all of it. You can start to see some of the separation here on the last section. So typically around the windows is where the wall was bulging in, so we'll get that all looking good. Once that's done, we are going to lower the grade in here even more. We've done roughly 8 inches so far, but what we want to do when we pour the new floor down here, we kind of want that to be flush with the pad here at the bottom of the stairs, so there will end up being a little step up to the concrete here. So yeah, right now we'll just keep moving on the stone walls. Should have everything pretty much rebuilt on that first of 3 later today or tomorrow morning. Then we'll continue on with the other 2. Once that's done, we'll take care of the final grading of the floor, make sure everything is thoroughly compacted. We got all the gravel where we need it. We will, before we pour that the new concrete floor, we are going to excavate in the 5 spots for our 2x2 2-foot deep footings. We will end up pouring those back when we pour the floor. We'll just do that last little bit of digging before the concrete gets out here. And after that, we will install our 6x6 treated wood support posts on top of those new footings. And this project should be complete. So for all your foundation pier needs, please stay tuned for more updates on this project. You can go to our website, kingpiers.com. You can also go to our YouTube and Facebook channels. Again, just search for King Piers LLC. You'll be able to see all the updates from all of our current and past projects right there. It's a great tool to educate yourselves on proper foundation repair. And don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.